Hey guys, welcome to today's video here. I got a question for you. Do you know who Shaquille O'Neal is? Shaq, commonly known as Shaq. He's a former basketball player for the Los Angeles Lakers, and he's become pretty famous over the last few years in side businesses that he does. Well, I would think that most people in the world do know who Shaquille O'Neal is. He's a giant of a man, a big man. I think he's like 7 foot tall or something like that, and about 300 and some pounds. You know, it's a big dude. Well, anyways, in today's video, I'm going to show you something that he has created. Well, he's a co-founder of him and one other guy, and that they created that's going to help bring about $5,500 more income over and above the current income that you may make from your job or whatever business or whatever it is that you're in. And it's all on an application available for iOS and Android phones. Well, guys, if you're interested in seeing this incredible application I'm going to show you from Shaquille O'Neal and one other fella, you want to stick around. We're about to get started on it here right now. Alrighty, guys. I wanted to tell you this is all free. Now, I haven't seen where this is not available everywhere in the world, and I haven't seen where it is either. So I'm not real sure. It's something that you'll just have to find out for yourself. All right. Well, let's go ahead and get started on this. But first of all, like I always like to do, for those of you that are new to my videos and this is your first time, well, anytime during the video that you feel like it, you're getting some value out of the video, we'll reach down there and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so you get notified when I upload new videos such as this one here. And also, anytime during the video that you feel like it and you're getting some value from it, just reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would. It'll help my channel as well. Thank you, guys. I appreciate that. All right, guys. Let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm kind of excited to show this to you. This is an amazing application that you can get for your phones, and we're coming to this site right here, guys. It's called Steady. You see it right here. Look up here in the address bar, guys. It's steadyapp.com. You see it right there. And what this app is what it'll do is it's created by Shaquille O'Neal and one other fellow, and I'll show you that right here. And as you can see, that's Shaq sitting right there on that couch right there where my mouse is, guys. And if we scroll this up, it says a message from the co-founders, Adam Roseman and Shaquille O'Neal. And as we come down here, it talks a little bit about it. I'm not going to read this whole thing here to you, but I did want to point this out here. It says, we are proud to say that today we are helping Steady members earn on average greater than $5,500 more per year. In the past year, we have delivered more than $4 million in emergency cash grants. Yeah, that's right, guys. If the COVID epidemic has affected your family, or if the current economic crisis that's going on is affecting your family and all, you can get emergency cash grants from this application to help your family out as well. That's one of the great benefits that I see with this amazing application. Yeah, those are experiencing loss due to COVID-19. It says, we've also paid out more than $10 million to reward members taking action to improve their financial health. And it says, we know you can increase your income, and Steady is here for you every step of the way. And then you see the signatures from these guys right here. Coming back here is, if we scroll down, you can see that they have here their mission is, at Steady, our members make more money. That's their mission. You can earn more here. It says, with Steady, you can earn cash rewards by making smarter financial decisions, obtain useful insights on how to earn more, and qualify for emergency cash grants when you need it most. And then it talks a little bit about it right here. $5,500 on average, our members earn $5,000 more in yearly income with Steady. And then they have a calculator here, and it says right here, $4 million in emergency grants provided to members and $10 million in cash incentives, which I pointed out to you already. It says here, find more ways to increase your income, lifting members' income, complete your Steady profile to view personalized income recommendations and community-driven financial insights so you can start elevating your income right away and start making money right away. As Steady is dedicated to putting money in the hands of those seeking ways to generate more income by ensuring accurate and efficient benefits distribution. Cash when you need it. Millions have been paid to the Steady community through emergency cash grants, cash incentives, and many more opportunities available for Steady members to even earn more money, it says right here, guys, but there are a lot of different ways. It says here, incentives that put more cash in your pocket. The way we work is changing rapidly, and Steady is working harder than ever to get more money in the hands of our workers, it says here, and it talks about universal basic income, unemployment insurance initiatives, emergency cash grants, and driving policy and system changes. And you can see here's a little video where Shaq is talking to some of the members of the Steady app right here. You can watch. I'm not going to play it now, but you can click right there and watch that. And it comes down here, and you got some testimonies from some of the other people that are doing this. It says the opportunity to be at home, pick up my sons, and still make money. They're little video clip testimonies, guys. You can watch these if you want, about people that use the Steady app and are making more money starting right as soon as they get started. And right here it says, join the 3 million plus members keeping their lives steady. And 1.5 billion customized financial insights, 5.4 million income opportunities matched to members, and then over 19 million plus opportunities to earn are offered on that Steady app. It says that's incredible. You'll never run out of ways to make money is what that's telling me, guys, and this is really awesome. Let's check out Trustpilot, see what they're rated at on Trustpilot here. So if we click on that, you see it comes right over to trustpilot.com, or right up here in the address bar, guys. And you see that Steady is the app there, and you can see that out of almost 3,000 reviews, it's got about a 4.5 star rating. People love this app. As you can see here, it's super easy to use. This guy says awesomeness here. Completed what was asked and got paid. Love this app. Steady always stays 100. Love the app. I mean, it just goes on down. People absolutely love this particular application, guys, and it's really a good thing. Come down here. You can study your income. Like I say, you can get it on the iOS or your iPhone, or you can get it on the Android phone as well. So if we come over here and we look at on the Play Store here, guys, you can see it right here. We're on play.google.com right up here in the address bar, guys. And you can see that Steady's earn money, and you can install it, and it's got some of the different things here that you can see about it, and it talks about it, even shows in here. These are all the different income opportunities to make money. Right here, it's just easy to do. You can do this in your spare time. You can do it whenever you want, wherever you want with your cell phone. It's just amazing. It says turn your free time into extra cash. And you can see some of the things down through here, guys. And if we show some more of this here, you got all kinds of different things that you can do to make money with right here. It's just amazing stuff. A lot of these I'm sure you've heard of: Best Buy, Ace Hardware, DoorDash even, and Target. Boost your income and save with our offers. Track the money you make, so on and so forth. And then there's Shaquille O'Neal there, of course, talking about it. Guys, you can come over here today and download this app onto your phone and begin to make an extra over $5,000 on top of your current income that you may already have. It's an income addition, or I would suspect that the more that you do this, or the more you work with it, the more money you'll make. You could even make this your income as well, I would imagine, over a period of time. Guys, that's the video I had for you today. It's a really cool app made by Shaquille O'Neal. He's a pretty famous guy, and he's into a lot of different things. You see him on a lot of advertisements and things like that. This one is new to me. I didn't know about this Steady application, and I just happened to see it and saw that he was one of the co-founders of it, and I just wanted to share it with you so that it will help you as well. Alrighty, well guys, if you like this video, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. Click that notification bell. Also, if you have any comments about this, just leave them down there below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, you want to reach down there in the top of my description and click where you see it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and check out my free video presentation that'll show you how you can become a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting today as well. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.